Do you ever feel like you're constantly pulled between your head and your heart, making decisions feel impossible? What if I told you there's a powerful natural alignment happening right now that can help you finally bring those parts of yourself into perfect harmony? The vernal equinox isn't just about the changing seasons. It's a profound cosmic doorway, a celestial turning point that marks the shift from winter's slumber into spring's vibrant awakening. This isn't just any equinox. This year, it offers an extraordinary opportunity for deep spiritual renewal, specifically tailored to help us harmonize the potent masculine and feminine energies within us. This journey is about moving beyond the idea that you have to choose between logic and emotion, between action and intuition, and instead embrace the beautiful both-and reality of a truly unified consciousness. We're about to explore how to dissolve those internal divides and step into a more complete, peaceful version of yourself. Imagine the world around you, slowly emerging from the quiet of winter. Days are growing longer, the first green shoots are appearing, and there's a tangible feeling of new beginnings in the air. This natural rhythm of renewal isn't just happening outside, it's also happening within you. And the vernal equinox acts like a giant energetic booster shot for this inner spring cleaning. It's a moment when the earth itself achieves a perfect balance between light and dark, day and night, mirroring the balance we seek within ourselves. For too long, many of us have been taught to think in terms of either or. You're either logical or emotional, strong or sensitive, a doer or a dreamer. But these are artificial walls we've built, or rather, walls society has often encouraged us to build. The truth is, we all hold both masculine and feminine energies, and neither is inherently better or worse. Think of them as two sides of a magnificent coin, each essential for its value. Let's break down what these energies truly mean. When we talk about masculine energy, we're not talking about gender, but about qualities. This energy is about structure, action, logic, focus, and analytical thought. It's the part of you that plans, executes, sets boundaries, and moves forward with purpose. It's the sturdy oak tree, rooted and reaching for the sky. On the other hand, feminine energy embodies intuition, feeling, flow, creativity, and receptivity. It's the part of you that nurtures, connects, trusts your gut feelings, and allows things to unfold organically. It's the flowing river, adaptable and deeply connected to life. The goal isn't to pick one and discard the other. It's to weave them together so seamlessly that they empower each other. Imagine a painter who only uses primary colors. Their art might be striking, but it lacks depth and nuance. Now imagine that same painter, skilled in mixing and blending, creating an infinite spectrum of shades. That's the kind of richness and wholeness we aim for when we integrate these energies. The challenge, as you might already feel, is that our world often celebrates one side more than the other. We might be praised for being logical and decisive at work, or for always doing something productive. This societal conditioning can lead us to suppress our intuitive feelings or dismiss our need for flow and rest. This imbalance creates a constant internal tug-of-war. Have you ever felt like you should make a logical decision, even when your gut screams otherwise? Or perhaps you felt overwhelmed by emotions and wished you could just think your way out of it. That's the internal conflict, the stagnant duality that forces you to choose between your logic and your emotion, or between doing and simply being. This struggle limits your potential, drains your energy, and keeps you from feeling truly at peace. It's like driving a car with one foot on the gas and one foot on the brake. You're expending a lot of effort, but not getting very far. So, how do we begin this journey toward harmonization and integration during this powerful vernal equinox portal? The first, most crucial step is simply recognizing these internal divides. It's about becoming aware of those moments when you feel fragmented, when you instinctively label something as either or. This isn't about judgment, it's about gentle observation. Once you see these divisions, the conscious effort to balance these energies can begin. This isn't a quick fix, it's a commitment to introspection to honest self-assessment. It requires a willingness to look at beliefs you might hold about what it means to be strong or what it means to be sensitive, and to release those limiting ideas that tell you these qualities can't coexist. It's like tending to a garden. You pull the weeds of old beliefs to make space for new, healthier growth. This is where practical techniques become incredibly valuable. One of the most accessible and profound tools for navigating this portal is breathwork. Our breath is a direct bridge between our conscious mind and our unconscious body, between our masculine doing aspect and our feminine being aspect. Through specific breathing exercises, we can actually synchronize our nervous system, balancing the sympathetic nervous system, which governs our fight-or-flight response, often associated with action and logic, with the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for rest and digest, associated with calm, intuition, and flow. The physiological benefits are remarkable. It calms the mind, releases tension stored in the body, and creates a clear, quiet space where these energies can begin to integrate naturally. During this powerful vernal equinox peak, some targeted breathwork exercises can be especially potent. One such technique is alternating nostril breathing, or Nadi Shodhana. This ancient practice is specifically designed to balance the left and right hemispheres of your brain, which are often associated with logical and intuitive functions, respectively. To do this, you simply close one nostril with your thumb, inhale through the open nostril, then close that nostril with your ring finger, release your thumb, and exhale through the opposite nostril. Then you reverse the pattern. Slowly, gently, you continue this dance, feeling how it brings a sense of equilibrium and clarity to your mind. Another powerful practice is diaphragmatic breathing, often called belly breathing. This grounds you deeply in the present moment, connecting you to your inner wisdom and the foundational feminine energy of the earth. As you breathe, focus on letting your belly rise with each inhale and fall with each exhale, rather than just breathing shallowly into your chest. This deep, rhythmic breath soothes your entire system, signaling to your body that you are safe, allowing your intuition to surface and your logical mind to quiet its constant chatter. By consciously engaging with your breath in these ways, you're not just moving air, you're actively navigating the subtle shifts within your body and energy field. You're supporting a deeper understanding of how logic and emotion, action and flow can not only coexist, but can dance together in a harmonious, powerful rhythm. The ultimate goal of this vernal equinox portal, when you truly embrace and work with its energy, is to recognize and embrace your inherent wholeness. It's about letting go of the false constraints of division and stepping into a unified consciousness where your logic and emotion, your drive and your surrender, dance together in perfect balance. This paves the way for a complete spiritual renewal, allowing you to express your most authentic, integrated self in the world. Imagine the peace, the clarity, and the power that comes from knowing all parts of you are working together, not against each other. If you're ready to deepen this journey and explore more ways to connect with your inner wisdom, click on this next video.